Hey guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Forcestop on Picsart. To know how to fix or how to solve Forcestop on Picsart, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window of Picsart and you can click. Here we'll enter to Forcestop and you can click OK. Then we will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.